So we have made some progress on the bike after just cleaned it up. We got it painted. The results have turned out pretty nice. We installed some tires, and we also painted the wheels black. Bike's red, wheels are black, and anyway, here's the progress.
Yes,
Not bad.
Pretty good.
So I'll let Landon walk you through what we've done so far.
Yeah, freestyle it.
Oh, LeBron. Still leaking?
Think I got it, dude.
Fix it?
So that's the secret. You do have to go in between the legs. Right now, Shane, I'm trying to dry the brake parts because it is a little chilly outside. And this heater is actually making pretty decent work of drying these parts up. I don't know where you got this from. Do you remember?
I have no clue. I have no clue.
Well, so that's a little life hack. So if you're painting and it's cold outside, all you gotta do is get you a heater, get a good dry spot, and you won't have any problems. Now this morning we did we had to do some cutting on the frame to clear the torque converter. Cut the chain guard. We drilled motor mount holes. It was right here, so it's a bigger motor than what was on it.
Yeah, we're installing a 212. Don't mind the dirty garage. We're installing a 212 in this tiny little bike. And so Landon cleaned up the torque converter.
Yeah, it's on the back side.
Yeah, let's see if we can trim it here. So it's pretty, actually professional job
right there.
Right here. Anyway, to fit the frame, get back over here.
It actually seemed like it fit pretty decent when we tested it.
Yeah, to fit the frame, so it wasn't fitting right here, so we had to cut that torque converter a little bit. And then this bar went all the way across to here. And Landon's fabrication, we cut it here and here to keep this for our back fender, to keep the mud and dirt and everything.
I think, dude, honestly, I think Shane, it's going to be better having the fender. I know we were contemplating on running no fenders because we just thought it looked kind of cool, but honestly I think we're going to run fenders. We'll see how we like them. I think it's going to be a useful thing because, like I said, it's going to keep mud, it's going to keep the chain grime off of you, off the motor, but we may take them off later depending on what we think. Me and Shane think it's probably going to be the mid 40 something mile an hour. The way it's geared is kind of geared low, so I think it's honestly gonna have too much takeoff. I think it's gonna pull wheelies, honestly, because the torque converter is gonna give it really good takeoff speed. And we're actually working on, maybe the next video we'll do a torque converter on that, the drift cart, because that cart, the clutch on that one's pretty much left to chat.
Yeah.
She's been smoking and making all kind of noise. So.
Yeah. And Jessica painted a banana on the back. Okay, we got the motor in place. We had to set some risers in it to get away from the assembly here. The risers are here, and now we are ready. These are risers. Now we are ready to install a chain. What you got?
So,
what chain you using?
It's a 35 chain. You actually might like that one.
Whoa.
Got some eye candy on it.
Whoa.
But no, in all honesty, it should hold up fine for what we're doing. It's actually for like racing go-karts and stuff. It's a RLV chain, but
that's just good marketing though.
That's good marketing, yeah, sure is. But yeah, the reasons we had to use the risers under the motor is because of the torque converter clearance on the back pulley. If you look right there, there's only like this much room right here. You can barely fit your finger under there. So if we didn't use the risers, it would be on the frame and then it just wouldn't work. So that's some of the troubles we're finding with putting one of these, you know, like 212 or bigger motor on like a smaller Doodlebug. I think Coleman 200s are similar frame size. But anyways, we're gonna put a chain on it. We gotta put a throttle cable assembly on it. We gotta put seat on it. And I think we gotta might want to put brakes on it. What do you think?
Who needs to stop?
You do little Flintstones. Put your feet down.
Goonbug is complete. Ta-da!
She's ready, guys. It's gonna be our first ride on it. Me and Shane have different feelings whether or not it's gonna either come out from under us or just not really have.
I think it's gonna wheelie with you, but I don't think it'll wheelie with me.
You think?
How much
I
do
don't
you
know,
weigh?
man. I'm about 175.
Yeah, I'm 225.
I don't know, man. I think she's gonna wheelie with anybody. Dude! Oh my!
This got a lot of power, dude.
This got too much to take off. This thing is dangerous, dude. Dude! You may want this.
Let's sit all the way forward. Dude.
What the heck, man? What do you think?
I barely hit it. I barely hit the gas.
That was barely hitting the gas.
I didn't think of my weight I'd come up.
I told you it was going to be geared a little too low, but not that low. I didn't think it was going to be geared that way, but man. CR500. What you think, James?
This thing rips.
Oh, Jessica showed up. Okay. She's the test dummy for this. She's next on the carnival ride. Jess, what you think about it?
Ride.
You haven't rode it yet, so.
You have no idea.
Really? Okay, I'm excited.
No, I'm seriously.
You
have no idea. I am astonished, blown away by this thing.
Can I ride it?
Good luck.
Well, okay.
Good luck. Oh my God!
Ow!
Oh my goodness! Our first casualty.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Yeah. My ass. I need more ass.
You hurt your booty?
Okay, you can cut that off now.
You hurt your booty?
Oh my goodness!
Dude!
Y'all are not putting that on there. Ow.
That's perfect.
Lennon, you hurt your sister.
I didn't.
That's your job.
You built it though.
I'm just laying here.
Let's help
It's
her
real
up.
nice out.
Are you okay? Your butt hurts? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dang, Jess. You okay?
No, my tailbone has left the chat.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get you up.
Here, let's get up. You got it?
Let's get you up.
I need a bigger butt.
I'm gonna dust you off. Hold on. Let me dust you off.
Ow, that hurts. It's gonna be a mark right there.
You wanna ride anymore?
Heck yeah, let's go.
Well, what'd you think?
It's pretty fun.
Is it everything you imagined?
And more. This thing it's got a lot of power.
Now you got your little souvenir there.
I got a souvenir.
Got your little toothpick.
Oh, big. You're picking up all kinds of stuff.
Way torquier than I thought it would be.